Hi, I'm Blizzard Company, and I want to make mobile games, and we want to make mobile games with all of our games. Yeah, you heard me right. Blizzard uh, are now planning to make mobile games. Hey guys, what's up? This is me, Steven, and welcome to another video. And today we will be talking about Blizzard making more mobile games and all of their IP games. What the fuck is this? Really? You decide after your boo that you got booed at on BlizzCon for making a Diablo mobile game which nobody wanted, no one asked for it. Like me, I was hoping for a Diablo 4. I was excited until we got Diablo Immortal for mobile game only. So yeah, you got booed because nobody and no one who plays Blizzard games plays fucking mobile games or don't even want a mobile game because they're small. Maybe when people are taking their freaking can or in their doctor's office or in the movie theaters uh, waiting for the movie to come on, we might play some games. But yeah, overall, we don't play mobile games. We play PC games or PlayStation or Xbox. So, anyways, after the events of getting booed at BlizzCon, the fuckers of Diablo Company stated we will be making more mobile games. Yeah. Does anyone want any more mobile games from Blizzard now? Imagine if we ever hear the words World of Warcraft next expansion. Hold on, everybody, it's coming to mobile. Yeah. I don't want to play Diablo on mobile, Warcraft on mobile, Overwatch on mobile, or any fucking game that I've played in the past or I'm playing now on a fucking mobile game. It's like saying we're not. It's because apparently they announced they're planning to do all their fucking games. Now they want to do more mobile games because everyone who works at Blizzard play mobile games. Just because you motherfuckers are playing mobile games doesn't mean everybody else wants to fucking play mobile games. And oh, we're talking to, but you acted like. Here's my problem. They acted like EA, like Master and Commander. I believe a lot of people were expecting a fucking new game, and we got a fucking mobile game for that garbage. Yeah, and they were talking to investors. You know what? Let me tell you something, Blizzard. The investors are not the fucking old man who give you money. It's the people who are fans. The people who play your fucking games. They, and like myself, we are your investors. We're the one that pays every fucking month to pay the great games that you have. Not the old fucking people who sit around and do nothing. They only want money. But the people who pay to keep your roof over your head and for you guys to keep making games and earning money, we are the investors, not you motherfuckers. We, people who have been with you guys for many years, who are fans of your games, Warcraft, Diablo, Overwatch, whatever, you know, we are the fans, and we are also the investors because we like playing Blizzard games. We don't want your fucking mobile games, you fucking retards. Nobody asked for them. No one's asking for them, and no one in fucking hell plays it none of your fans even play mobile. We want to play Diablo on a fucking PC and with a 4-inch widescreen TV, 4K screen TV, like a really big TV, so we can see the screen perfectly well and play very comfortably in our own homes with our mouse and look at our screens and like, wow, great game. I have a great view, great screen, big TV, and play on my laptop, and I have it all hooked to my TV, and I can see everything better. Nope, but let's decide. Let's play. This is not a mobile, but this is a phone. Let's play a Diablo. Yeah, that's how mobile games are. I'm in the can, taking number 2. Doctor's office, yeah, okay. Waiting for the movie to come on in the theaters. And that's it. We're done. Or we can go travel and play mobiles on our phones. But no one. But majority of your audience of Blizzard do not play mobile games. We are PC gamers, and we love PC games. And all of your fans love PC games. They're PC. So what did you think of doing when you got booed at BlizzCon and decided to go and say, let's have another interview, but don't worry guys, we are making more mobile games and all of our IP games. That's smart. That was. I hope nobody buys this. If you guys like it, then you're an idiot, because you're giving them money to garbage that no one's asking for, and they're gonna have microtransactions with microtransactions. What you know what I'm fucking talking about? They're gonna put stuff in there where you spend your fucking hard-earned cash money because you're a fucking idiot to get stuff. And you give people money for microtransactions and your fucking games. You pay for those in your games. You're, no offense, but you're a fucking dumbass for giving any company more money that you already paid for your game. You shouldn't be paying them more money just to get items really fast. Either you're mental, fucking retarded, or stupid as fuck. Because I'm not dumb. I don't go around spending my fucking hard-earned money on microtransactions when I've already bought the game. I'll level up, get my stuff, whatever. But hey, get more extra stuff, and no, I don't want it. I don't need it. I've already bought the game. I don't need anything else. Make it, it's like, because people, and they keep doing it because people are so stupid. They keep putting microtransactions in games because people are fucking mental retarded morons. Because you keep giving them money, you idiots. So, my advice to you, if anyone's out there who's listening to this, who's smart enough to not fucking give these fuckers any money, don't give Blizzard any money, because this is going to be filled with microtransactions, like they did with Diablo 3, that they tried to do an auction house, and people got mad, and they took it out eventually. But I like Diablo. I love Diablo 3. 2 is pretty good, and I played 2. I managed to play that. But yeah, this is not right, and I know I'm all over the place with me. I'm not. Hopefully, I'm making some sense in here. But overall, do not play this game. Do not play Diablo Immortal. To all of you who are fans of Blizzard, if you're a fan, I'm sure you're not giving them any fucking money for the Diablo Immortal, because they're just gonna keep making more mobile games, because if people buy them, they'll make another one, and you know what? If they can make more mobile games, I will stop playing Blizzard. I will stop playing Warcraft and Diablo and everything altogether. Because I didn't sign up for mobile games. I signed up for a PC game, and that's what I want. And if you're watching this, Blizzard, that's what we signed up for. PC games, really great games. We don't want your fucking mobile games. You guys want to play mobile, then make your own fucking game and play it yourselves. But you're fucking fans who are investors. We are the real investors. We're the ones that pay your bills, you fucking retards. So your job is to give us games because we are supporting your asses. We are your loyal customers. So make sure you know what loyalty is and what greed is, because you're acting like greedy little bitches. And eventually that goes down the drain, because eventually the more greedy you get it, you're gonna go try to get. Everyone's gonna see it, and none of your fans will ever go to BlizzCon. You will lose your fans, you will lose your supporters, and everything, and your company will go down. Will go down. It's gonna go and become a big pile of shit. So I hope you know what loyalty from your fans are, and if you keep fucking up, you're eventually going to lose all of your supporters, and they're going to say, you know what, fuck you, we're going to find somebody else who find other games that we're going to find other games to play, and people who aren't going to be making mobile games, who's going to be making PC or PlayStation or Xbox. So, anyways, that's the news. Tell me what you guys think about Blizzard, saying they want to make more mobile games. Let me know what you think down in the comments below, and have a good day, good night, wherever you guys are. Bye.